And now with the liquid staking BTC, you don't have to make that sacrifice anymore. You can have both. You can have both because it opens up basically a world for opportunities that empowers stakers. And let me just also expound on the dual staking. For me, the dual staking, I see it as a feature that is designed to elevate the staking experience for Bitcoin and both core, because it allows stakers to stake both Bitcoin and core tokens, and it basically offers high staking rates. And this means that the more core you stake alongside your Bitcoin, the more enhanced rewards you can unlock. And I believe it's a fantastic way to drive utility for core tokens while maximizing yields on the Bitcoin. But now coming to the Fusion upgrade, it's about more than just individual rewards. It's basically about strengthening the core network. And with the Fusion upgrade, I believe now the core is basically focusing on sustainable yield opportunities and enhancing scalability, because it is crucial, and it's also a way to solidify the core's role within the Bitcoin landscape. And I think we saw a lot of support from notable institutions like I think I saw Copper and also the Vala funds, and they recognize the potential of these Fusion upgrade earlier on. So I think now with the Fusion upgrade, we have basically to anticipate even more institutions will join core, because it will be a major upgrade and a powerful upgrade for institutional adoption of core, and also I believe more Bitcoin will come into the CoreDAO ecosystem. So that's just a briefing about the Fusion upgrade from my take, and Daniel. So I don't know if I've summarized it in a nutshell or you need more clarification.
Oh, thank you very much. This is a beautiful one. Why, you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
All right. So I said I have a question. So I just wanted to be clear. You talked about dual staking, right? Where
Yes,
you can stake both Bitcoin and core.
Sorry, I
I
was.
think in a single contract. Yeah. So I want to understand. You spoke about
So,
having
sorry, I
more
was.
Okay, so yeah, you spoke about having more gains. For instance, if you stake both Bitcoin and core, you will earn higher yield. So what about if you stake just core? Do you have to stake both Bitcoin and core to earn higher yield? That's my question. I don't know if Wycliffe heard my question.
yes, I think I captured your question. You were asking let me say you've staked core alone and you've staked both core and Bitcoin.
Yes.
Yeah, so I believe with the dual staking, for you to maximize your yield, I think it's great to stake both core and Bitcoin just to maximize more yields. If you stake core alone, I think you'll be earning, but not as much as while staking both core and Bitcoin. Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Okay, so I think there's no any other question. Wycliffe, I thank you very much for that insight. It makes sense. So yeah. So okay, to the technical business of today. So today we'll be looking at NFTs. And last time I anchored the session, we spoke about fungible tokens. That's the ERC20 tokens. So they are mostly used as a form of currency and mostly for utility on most, in all, if not all, blockchain spaces. Like every blockchain has its own native ERC20 token, just the way Core has. We have our Core that we can stake. Talking about staking in BTC, BTC is an ERC20 token, or you can call it. Then okay, so after that we have the non-fungible tokens. That's the NFTs, And everybody I know at one point in time you have won an NFT if you don't have a collection now. So what are non-fungible tokens? So these are specific unique tokens, tokens that are unique and have their own ID. So where one token is different from the another from another. So when talking about the RC20 token, one core is the same as one core anywhere. The same one Sol or Solana is the same as one Sol anywhere. The same as one Ether is one Ether everywhere. Like if you have one Ether and I give you another Ether, it's the same thing. Like we can swap our Ethers. But when we talk about NFT, each NFT is unique. That's the ERC721 standard. Each one is unique. They both have, and their uniqueness is denoted in their IDs. So each have a unique ID. So and since they have different ID, that means they are different. And although they can be made from the same contract, the same piece of code, but they will have different IDs and their values can be set based on that. So mostly they can be used as a form of they used to use it for probably proof of attendance in some places, or they use it. Some people can still trade it for value, but mostly they are used to represent. They are used to represent a unique entity on the blockchain. So I don't know if you have any questions about NFTs. If there's anything I said that you need clarification, so that I can do that before I take us into how the simple way we can write an ERC721 contract. Yeah. So Wycliffe, anybody? Okay, there's nobody. So I'm going to share my screen now. This moment. Let me share my screen. Entire screen. Okay, can we see my screen? Please, can we see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So, as usual, we always go to ERCs. We go to openzeppelin.com. Like by now, you should know if you are looking to create any contract, any token. Just go to ERC. We go to Open Zeppelin. Open Zeppelin is a library that already have this contract written, tested. So you can rely on them for all your tokens. Last time we came here for our ERC20 contract, and we're here for the ERC721. So you see, any contract you want, the ERC720 and the ERC20, the 721. We'll talk about the 1155 going forward, which is the both tokens in one. So now we want the ERC721. Then we can choose to name it. Let's name it Call Friday. Call Friday NFT. Then the token should be CFT. Yeah. So let's customize it. Let's see. Okay. So basically, this is the code. So I want it to be mutable. If you have URI storage, yeah, I think so. So let's just copy it. Now take it to Remix. I think my current okay, so create a file to say on Friday NFT. So okay, I'll paste it here. Let me increase my screen so that you can see. Okay. So I'll walk through the contract with us so I will explain it. So this here, these are us importing the ERC721 library from Open Zeppelin. These are what these first three lines of code do. So as usual, this is the contract name, Core Friday NFT, and we are inheriting the ERC721, the ERC721 storage, and we're making it ownable. So that's what we're doing. Then we have the ERC721, the name and the symbol. That's what we have here. The name and the symbol of the token. And in the constructor, pass the owner, the person who wants to be the owner of this NFT. And to mint, you see, we mint to the token ID and the token URI. So this URI is more like it's mostly a JSON file, and that's where it holds the image. It holds the image on mostly Pinata Cloud. So okay, so this what this function does, the token URI, if you put in the ID, okay, it returns the URI of the token URI of the ID passed into it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a T-core to my yeah, I found the grass. I got a handful in the last airdrop. I got like a little bit above 20 grass. So yes, I found grass and I got it. So hope you got. Then okay, let's look for T-core. So I'm using a new system today. So my settings are not all together. So let's look for T-core. I'll connect to my wallet. I'm having issues. Why is it not allowing me to connect my wallet? Coming. Sorry. I really need to add to call. That's now. Connect this set. Websites. Yes. This is what I'm looking for. Well, I'm having technical challenges connecting my wallets. I think we'll just deploy this on CoreDAO. Yes. And I also want to change this today. Daniel, have you experienced something like this before?
Sorry, what's that?
I'm having issues connecting to chainlist.org.
Yeah. I experienced that when I got my new system as well. So
How did you manage?
Right?
Yes.
Yeah. I'll suggest you do it manually through MetaMask. You get the
Okay.
app of this, the other details, and you connect it.
Okay. Understand. Let me add
The
my
RPC
talk.
URL and what do you call it, the symbol and those other things.
Yes. Okay, I think okay. So sorry, let me do it manually. So I think networks.
And again, when you go to MetaMask,
Yeah.
I don't know, my own share, I hardly connect through injected provider. I usually connect through
Wallet Connect. Well?
Wallet Connect, yes. I've experienced that.
I'm supposed to see network. I can't see network. I'm supposed to see it.
Um, I think. Let me just.
No, I'm listening to you. Like I'm supposed to say network, I think. Yeah. Let me see network somewhere here. Let's search for network.
You you should
Network.
be able to add network. You should see add
Yes.
network. But
Yes, I think I've seen it. I've seen that network. Yeah. Add a custom network. Yeah. So network name should be T-Core. So let me get the IPC from here. Mm, yeah. T-Core, it here. Then 2.15. So that's the IPC. Sorry, I'm showing you guys the chain ID is 1235. Yes, so it's T-Core. So like this. So like that. And the block expire is let me get it. Oh. So I'm showing you guys how to manually add a network. That's if you want to. So, um, so, so if you try to add a network and you are having challenges, this is how you go about it. Yeah. Chain ID, core blockchain. That's it. Okay. Core blockchain trust. Okay, so save, and it was added. So now I can change my network to core blockchain testnet. And I don't have tokens. I think I did, but nevertheless, I can get token for four sets. Right.
hello, Aji. No problem.
Is that now I'm trying to connect to change network and it's having problem. Like I have it here. I'm having problem connecting to T-Com. Okay, good. I've been connected and it's nice. So let me get four sets. Just get four sets. So we can just deploy this and I've taken most of your time today. Okay. I will still together at top.
Yes.
Okay. Mm, it's not. Sorry, my network is just taking too long. Nice. So, open paste my address. Let's check the captcha. Okay, I'll get the call. Okay, so I should see I have one to call. Okay. Okay, was it showing 0? Okay, I have 1.5 tick for itself. I just wanted to show it's showing. Okay, the balance is showing here. I don't know why it's not reflecting up there, but let's not put that. So let's come and deploy this contract so that we can be on our way. Let me go to Wallet Connect. Okay, so I connect to my MetaMask. Okay, good. Connected. So now we can deploy the contract. So it's asking us for the initial owner. So we'll just use the contract address that will deploy it as the initial owner. Okay. Deploy it. Okay, so our contract has been deployed. So you see all these from if you check if you see our contract is basically simple, but you see the functions that are attached to it, they are a lot. So this is the Open Zeppelin library that we inherited. So that's where we get all these functions from. So we can query and see the name of our contract. Okay, I'm not getting okay, I'm supposed to change something here to Paris, I think. Yes. I think that's what I need to do. So then let's compile. Okay, because I'm trying to query the name. It's not still coming up, okay. But the owner works. The code tested for a while has been having a little issue. So I think that's one of the problems we're having. So I just pray that the means function works. So that means to the owner. Let's put the ID1 string. Now I'm going to show us how to create this token URI next week, so that we'll be able to attach an image to the NFT when we want to mint. So every time I confirm this, I have my scan here somewhere here. Okay, that's successful. So I have 6 tokens now. It's supposed to be 7 now, I think. Let me refresh. My transaction is supposed to have been updated, so that the token I minted should show. Yes, this is me creating the contract. And yes, good. And I have 7 tokens here. If I check, we'll see the NFT. Look at it here. The NFT is the NFT we just created. This is the NFT holders one. I'm the holder of that NFT. So I know it's been today's class has not been really straightforward and there's been a lot of confusion. So I'm going to just do a little recap again. So I said NFTs are ERC721 tokens. They are non-fungible tokens because unlike the fungible tokens which are the ERC20, the ERC721 are all unique. They are not the same. And then to that, every token has its own unique ID, and that's what makes them truly unique. Then they have the capacity to store images. And use them to represent it, and you can represent them as images. That's when you add the token URI. And to create one, you just go to the Open Zeppelin Wizard, where they have a library of these contracts already written down. So you can just pass in the name and just you will give you the code, you copy it, then you come and you deploy it. So I don't know if there's any question, if there's anywhere I've been too fast. Maybe I need to walk over something again and make something clear. I think I've taken very much of our time, but I'm open for questions now. Hi, Claire.
I think I have no question.
Okay, so I think you've worked with NFTs before?
Yes, I've worked with it.
Okay. Do you have any contribution? Something you like to add? Maybe there's something I skipped over. So you would like to add?
No. I think
I didn't get you. We are breaking.
the session.
Can anyone hear Wycliffe, or is it my network that is bad? I can't hear him. Daniel.
I think I can hear you.
Okay, I said I didn't get what you were saying. I think my network is bad. Or is it yours? So I said, is it a contribution? Okay.
Just saying that you're talking about.
I'm still breaking, so. Well, if there's no question, then I think I'll call it a week today. So I think next week Friday we'll look further into NFTs and how we can attach images to these NFTs. So I'm going to drop the link to the repo of today's code. I've dropped the GitHub gists. I think okay, I'm going to drop the GitHub gists
I have
now.
a question, please.
Okay, I'm listening, sir.
About the core commit global meetup. Did you just say the date was changed? When you were talking earlier, I just want to be sure.
No, I don't think the date has been changed. Daniel, has the date for the global meetup been changed? I don't think it has been changed.
Okay. Okay then.
Yes. I think it's still holding on the
29th.
Yes, of November, yeah? Is it 29th?
I think it has been changed.
Oh, it has been
Okay.
changed?
I got an email. Let me go to the email now.
Okay, let me go to my email
How
and
come
see.
it meetup Lagos was updated to Thursday, 28th November? This one Admiralty Way. I'll share this screenshot on the group now.
Okay, so I'm going to my email and let me check this. Yep. I just got the updates. Like, it's okay. Yeah, the updates came in. Yeah, it came in like I think when we are on this call. Yes, I've seen it. There's an update that's been changed to the 28th of November, and it's still 10 to 11 a.m. at 21 Admiralty Way, Lagos. So it has been changed from Thursday. Yeah,
Friday
it
to
has been
Thursday.
changed to Thursday. Yes, yes. The mail came in while we were on this call. It came in like some 46 minutes ago. Yeah, so it has been changed. That's why I was not aware. So okay, I think with that, it's safe to call it the end today. Daniel, it was nice having you. Wyclef, IB, and everyone there. It's been my pleasure having you guys today. So thank you very much, and I see you guys next week. Cheers.